Okay guys, permit me to share a testimonial from one of my clients who used the techniques that I discussed in this Ubersuggest massive traffic generation to your website and your blog course. And here he just told me that Ubersuggest sent an email to him, and by the time he checked up on it, he discovered that one of his keywords in his article is already ranking on Google first page. This is #1 of Google first page. And of course, he also told me that many of his keywords and many of his articles that were on page 10, on page 12, on page 13 were already jumping up to page 4, page 5, page 6, and in a matter of weeks, I can assure you that many of those blog articles and those keywords are going to be jumping to page 1 on Google, just as we have here. Of course, if you're using the organic method and you start using some of these techniques, I am not guaranteeing that your keywords and your blog articles are going to be on Google first page the very day you start using them. You know that you have to work on it. You have to be consistent for like a week, a month, sometimes the second month, and from the second month and the third month that you begin to see massive results. In fact, you could be surprised that 4, 5, 6, 7 of your articles can jump to Google page 1. And as you can see, this guy is in a very competitive niche, that's the health niche, and yet he has one of his keyword and one of his blog articles already on page 1 of Google. And of course, I checked up on it and I saw that it was actually on page 1. So if you want to be guaranteed a 20,000 to 60,000 organic traffic coming to your blog or your business website every month, then check up on this course right now. Get it at this promo price that I'm selling right now, and you will send me testimonials. I can guarantee you that. Thank you, and I will see you in the course.